Welcome my students of class 11th. Now I'm going to start Act 3 Scene 2 from the Tempest. Act 3 Scene 2. Here in this scene, Caliban, Stefano and Trinculo are still drinking. They are continuously drinking. Caliban now sees a chance of taking revenge on his master, Prospero. He sees a chance of taking revenge on his master Prospero and tells Stefano that he can lead him to Prospero's cell, where Stefano can get rid of him, can get rid of Prospero, while Prospero sleeps in his cell. Thus, Stefano can become the king of the island and marry Miranda. Ariel, who has been listening all this time, leads the conspirators away by the sounds of his musical instrument, tabor and pipe. Here you see what happens in the scene. Scene 2, another part of the island. Enter Caliban, Stefano and Trinculo. Stefano says, "Tell not me, when the butt is out, we will drink water, not a drop before. Therefore bear up and board them. Servant master, drink to me." Stefano says, "Let us not stop drinking. Continue. Let it be continue. Only when the cask of wine is empty. Till the cask of wine is empty, continue drinking. Will we drink water? Empty. Will we drink water? Only when the cask of water is empty, then we will drink water. Otherwise, we will continue drinking wine. Follow me and deal with the cask of wine. Servant master, drink to my health." Trinculo says, "Servant master, the folly of this island. They say there's but 5 upon this isle. We are 3 of them. If the other 2 be brained like us, the state totters." Trinculo says, "Servant master, what fools are they on this island? Only foolish people are living on this island. There seem to be only 5 human beings on this island. Only 5. 5. Prospero, Miranda, Caliban, Stefano and Trinculo. We, Stefano, Caliban and I, are 3 of them. If the other 2 have no better brains than ours, the other 2, then the state would collapse. The state would collapse. If Miranda and Prospero have no better brains than these 3 persons, then the state would collapse, would destroy." Stefano says, "Drink, servant master, when I bid thee. Thy eyes are almost set in thy head. Drink, servant master, when I ask you to drink. Your eyes are staring blankly as if they were set in your head." Trinculo says, "Where should they be set else? He were a brave master indeed if they were set in his tail." Trinculo mocks Caliban and says, "Where else should they be set? He would be a handsome monster if his eyes were set in his tail." He is mocking him at Caliban. Stefano says, "My man monster has drowned his tongue in sack. For my part, the sea cannot drown me. I swam or I could recover the shore 35 leagues off and on. By this light, thou shalt be my lieutenant. Master, are my standard. Stefano says, my monster has so soaked his tongue in wine that he can hardly speak. As for me, the sea cannot drown me. I swam about 35 leagues over the sea to reach the shore. By this light, you will be my lieutenant, monster, or you will become my standard bearer. Trinculo says, your lieutenant, if you list, is no standard. He could be your lieutenant if you like, but he is no standard bearer, as he is incapable of standing on his legs. He cannot stand on its own. Stefano says, we will not run, Monsieur Monster. Mr. Monster, we will not run away from the enemy. Trinculo says, nor go neither, but you will lie like dogs and yet say nothing neither. No, you will not even able to walk away either. You will lie down quietly like dogs. Stefano says, moon calf, speak once in thy life if thou beest a good moon calf. Stefano says, monster, speak at least once in your life if you are a good monster. Caliban says, how does thy honor? Let me lick thy shoe. I will not serve him. He is not valiant. Caliban is very angry with Prospero. He does not like, he despises him always. He says, how is your honor? How can I honor you? How can I respect you? How can I give you honor? Let me lick your shoes. I want to lick your shoes. I will not serve him. I will not serve him. I will not serve Trinculo because he is not brave. I will serve you only. Trinculo says, thou liest, most ignorant monster. I am in case to justle a constable. Why, thou debauched fish, thou was there ever man a coward that hath drunk so much sack I today? Wilt thou tell a monstrous lie, being but half a fish and half a monster? Trinculo scolds Caliban and says, you are telling a lie, most ignorant monster. I am so brave as to fight with a policeman. I am valiant. I am so brave as to fight with a policeman. You immoral fish! Could any man who has drunk wine as much as I have today fail to be brave? How can you tell such an outrageous, immoderate lie, being only half a fish and half a monster? You are not a complete man. Caliban says, lo, how he mocks me. Wilt thou let him, my lord? Caliban asks to Stefano, look, my lord, he is mocking at me. Will you allow him to make fun of me? Will you allow him? Trinculo says, Lord, quoth he, that a monster should be such a natural. Lord, he says, it is absurd that a monster should be such a stupid creature. Caliban says, lo, again, bite him to death, I pray thee. Caliban says to Stefano, look, again. He again utters absurd words against me. I request you to bite him to death. Stefano says, Trinculo, keep a good tongue in your head. If you prove a mutineer, the next tree, the poor monsters my subject, and he shall no suffer indignity. Trinculo says, talk properly. If not, I will hang you on the next tree. This poor monster is my subject, and he will not suffer any insult. Stefano scolds here to Trinculo and says, talk him properly, he is my subject, otherwise I will hang you on the neck. Caliban says, I thank my noble lord, wilt thou be pleased to hearken once again to the suit I made to thee? I thank my noble master, would you listen once again to the request that I made to you? Stefano says, marry will I kneel and repeat it. I will stand, and so shall Trinculo. Stefano says, by Virgin Mary I will listen your request, what you are going to make. Kneel and repeat your request. I will stand, and so will Trinculo. Trinculo will also kneel down. Enter Ariel invisible here. Caliban says, as I told thee before, I am subject to a tyrant, a sorcerer, that by his cunning hath cheated me of the island. Caliban says, as I have told you before, I am the slave of a tyrant. I am the slave of a dictator, a magician, who by his magic has robbed me of this island. I was the owner of this island, but the tyrant, the dictator, Prospero, has robbed me. Ariel says, thou liest. Ariel is invisible there. He says, you are lying. Caliban says, thou liest. Now, he is speaking to Stefano, but the answer is given by Ariel. Caliban says, when Caliban says, thou liest, thou jesting monkey, thou, I would my valiant master would destroy thee. I do not lie. Caliban says, you are a liar. Caliban says, you are a liar. You jesting monkey, you joking, you mocking monkey, I would request my brave master to destroy you. I do not lie. I am not telling a lie. You monkey, it is you who are lying. He thinks the answer is being given by Trinculo. Stefano says, Trinculo, if you trouble him any more, isn't till by this hand I will supplant some of your teeth. Though the answer is being given by Ariel, as he is listening there, listening them invisible, when Caliban speaks, the answer is given by then Ariel, but he thinks the answer is being given by Trinculo. There confusion here, and Stefano also is unable to see Ariel, so he scolds Trinculo not to say, and says, do not say anything against my subject Caliban. Stefano says, Trinculo, if you interrupt him, I swear by my hand that I will knock out some of your teeth. Trinculo says, why? I said nothing. Trinculo says, why? I said nothing. Why are you saying so? Stefano says, mum, then, and no more. To Caliban he says, proceed, carry on. Keep quiet. Stefano says, keep quiet then. Do not speak. And to Caliban he says, you may continue. Caliban says, I say by sorcery he got this isle, from me he got it. If thy greatness will revenge it on him, for I know thou darest, but this thing dare not. Caliban says, I told you that he got this island by his magic. He means here Prospero. He got it from me. I request you to avenge the injustice done to me, to take revenge for the injustice done to me. I know you have the courage. You are a courageous person. This stupid man, Trinculo, does not have courage. Only you are courageous, not Trinculo. Stefano says, that is most certain. That is most certain, sure. Surely I am. Indeed I am courageous. Caliban says, thou shalt be lord of it, and I will serve thee. You will become the owner of this island, and I will serve you. I will be your slave. Stefano says, how now shall this become past? Canst thou bring me to the party? How can this be done? How can this be done? How can I be the king of this island? Can you take me to the magician party? Party means here magician. Caliban says, Ye, my lord, I will yield him thee asleep, where thou mayest knock a nail into his head, into its bead. Yes, surely, my lord, I will take you to him when he is asleep. You may drive a nail into his head. You may drive a nail into his head while sleeping. Ariel says, Ariel again, Ariel is present there. So he says, thou liest, thou canst. You are telling a lie, you cannot do. You cannot do that. Caliban says, what a pied ninny is this, thou scurvy patch. I do beseech thy greatness, give him blows and take him bottle from him. When that's gone, he shall drink not but brine, for I will not show him where the quick freshes are. Caliban says, addressing to Trinculo, what a motley, having many colors, clown. What a motley clown. What having many colors, the clown that have many colors. So what a motley clown you are, you rotten fool. Turning to Stefano, he says, I entreat you, I urge you, sir, to give him a good beating and to take his bottle from him. When you have done this, he will have to drink only salty sea water, because I will not show him where the streams of fresh water are. He wants to penalize by Stefano. Trinculo should be punished. Trinculo should be penalized. He wants. Caliban wants. Stefano says, Trinculo, run into no further danger, interrupt the monster one word further, and by this hand I will turn my mercy out over the door and make a stockfish of thee. Stefano says, Trinculo, do not take any more chances. If you interrupt the monster with one more word, I swear by this hand that I will, without all my sympathy, and beat you as severely as a stockfish is beaten. I will punish you, I will beat you very severely as a stockfish is beaten. Trinculo says, why? What did I? I did nothing. I will go further off. Trinculo says, why will you severely beat me? Why? What have I done? I did not do anything. I will move a little further off. So Trinculo goes from there and moves off a little distant from Stefano and Caliban. And what happens after that, you will study in my next video. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.